Okay, selling some really rare and unique vehicles. Just arrived, we have this VW Transporter Highline camper, two-berth camper on a 73, registered in 24. This vehicle is VAT qualifying. The price includes VAT. But if you're looking for something really, really cool and unique for a couple, does it get much better than this? I don't think so. From the exterior look and the colour Ascot grey, it is really, I'm going to use that word again, the coolest of cool. Now, it has been converted as a camper. The conversion has just been done. It is unused as a camper. It was about £15,000 to do this, and I'm going to show you how it works and how it operates. But ultimately, you know, it's ready-made day bus, surf bus. Sleep in it, use it to go on day trips out, festivals, the days at the beach, to the park. I don't know, it's got so many multi-uses, this. It's really special. Now, it's got the Wabasto night heater, so you can sleep in it. It's fully sound and heat insulated in the rear. It's been done very, very well indeed. It's also got solar on the roof. It's got water hookup and gas hookup. So you can pretty much use this off-grid as a couple and go anywhere in it through Europe or the UK, certainly in style. And we love it here, we really do. It's done 5,000 miles. Like I say, it was registered in 2024 on a 73. As a vehicle, it's an automatic gearbox, 150 horsepower. It's a really fantastic driving machine in itself, with reverse camera, heated front seat, adaptive cruise, the LED light system, and a fantastic exterior look. It really does have that head-turning curb appeal from the colour. Now, it's Ascot grey. You can see it's got a full body kit on, so the lowered front valance, all styled in gloss black and Ascot grey. Front and rear sensors with reversing camera. It's got a full front end PPF as well as a rear bumper PPF, so it's in an unbelievable condition. It's on lowered coilover, so the suspension is slightly lower. You can actually adjust the suspension if you want. I think it's just set just nice and right at the moment. And again, we've got these satin black wheels with the all-terrain general grabber tyres, giving you that little bit more from the exterior, with the sidebars as well. Double slide loading doors or side loading doors. And I love the orange, you know, the orange is being picked as a colour. Maybe not for everyone, but I think it suits it. It's very, very surfer. There's your access to your water. So like I said, it is a self-sufficient van. I'm going to show you why as we go around the other side. Side windows, obviously we've got that open to give you the full aspect of what you can do with this vehicle. I thought that was really important doing this video. I wanted to show you as a vehicle how you can use it, sitting in it during the daytime, because it is really, really nice indeed. Now, if I jump in, I'm going to just turn this ignition off because it's going to annoy us. Right, so we've got a swivelling captain's chair. Now, only the passenger side seat swivels, but there's only two of you. I don't think you need anything further because you've got the L-shaped rear lounge there. Got the coffees, got the table up. How nice is that? Even down the dual LED lit roof, so the LED strips around the outside and the centre lights. Then we've got a fridge, obviously fully functional fridge. Drawer here for your utensils and a chopping board. Everything's been thought of very, very well indeed. The table sits in a nice little section here. The table bar goes underneath here. And you've also got your awning and also utensils under there to use. So it's got an awning bar on the roof. The U-shaped lounge is fantastic, lots of space, especially for only two of you. But if you wanted to invite guests over, lots of space to probably seat 4 or 5 people in this living area. And you can see we've got our coffees out. It's very, very nice indeed. This section slides out to allow you to have the double bed in the back, and what adventures you could have sleeping in here on a night time. Now, up here we've got the control for the Wabasto night heating system, which runs off the diesel engine. We've got 3-volt sockets, 12-volt sockets. Like I say, the fridge all fully functional, so it is, you know, ready to go for all your adventures and days out. But this is my favourite part round the back. So we've got a pull-out exterior kitchen, which allows you, you know, if you're going to go away and sleep outside in the countryside or whatever you're going to do with this, you want to have the full, you know, the full adventure with your gas outdoor cooker and sink. Now you've got a gas bottle underneath here to allow you to do this, and then this just slides away nice and neatly when you're not using it. It all folds away into the little sink area. I don't know what else you could want if there's two of you going to go and travel around and you want a camper. From the exterior look, how cool it is, to the interior features, the fact that it's never been used, and you've even got a toilet system. So this goes onto the inside as an extra seat in the back. but it allows you to, it's a Thetford toilet system, again, never used. It allows you to have the toilet, it clips into the inside there, and it is really, really lovely. The condition of the exterior is like brand new. It's fantastic, really. You'll see we've got the wind deflectors as well on the vehicle, just to give it a little bit more style. And then jumping into the driver's side. So we have 5,109 miles on this vehicle. It is a facelifted T6.1, so we've got the newer steering wheel with adaptive cruise, automatic lights, automatic wipers. We've also got touchscreen media infotainment with reversing camera. There you go, front and rear sensors, heated front seats. Really lovely vehicle to drive and sit in. It gives you an elevated driving position. We've got the blind that attaches onto all four sides to give you privacy on a night time. It's fantastic, this. I would love it. Now, I've got kids, so it would probably be no good to me unless I was just going to use it on for a day out with a separate car involved. But you could drive it every day and just use it as a cool vehicle, you know, and that's the beauty of owning something like this. Like I say, it's a 73 registered in 24, only done 5,000 miles. It is VAT qualifying. The price includes VAT. Whatever you could do with that, I don't know, but if you're looking for something a little bit different, surely this has got to be it. It's on the website now. What a fantastic vehicle indeed. Thanks for watching.